Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
US-based Bitcoin exchange-traded funds had their largest day of net inflows since late January, as crypto markets remained buoyant over the Easter weekend. The 11 Bitcoin tracking funds saw a joint net inflow of $381.3 million on April the 21st, the largest since January the 30th. Tesla short sellers are up an estimated $11.5 billion for the year to date, and positioning is bearish going into the electric vehicle makers' quarterly results, according to the latest reports. Tesla shares have tumbled 40% so far this year. Gold extended its record run, reaching $3,500 per ounce, as weakness in the dollar, US President Donald Trump's attacks on the Federal Reserve, and trade war fears boosted demand for the safe haven asset.
The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.